Good morning, Kipsters. Welcome back. If you're on break, I hope you're enjoying break. If we're back from break, I hope you had an awesome winter break. Welcome to 2021. I'm super excited to start back up with us, friends, and I'm super excited to keep going. And hopefully, soon we'll be in the classroom once again, learning and growing together. Alumnos, buenos días, bienvenidos. Estoy muy orgulloso de estar aquí con ustedes y les quiero enseñar todo lo nuevo que tenemos. All right, friends, with this all being said, let me go on presentation mode and let's start this up. As always, on today's agenda, we have our social emotional learning. So we're going to be talking about our mantra again. We're going to be reviewing the heart again, right? We're going to do a little bit of review using a different video. And then the value of the month was enthusiasm. All right, so we're still going to show a little bit of enthusiasm through our clip and see some of our friends that are doing awesome work. Showing us enthusiasm, and then we're gonna do a superhero workout today. So we're not gonna have two videos, we're just gonna have one big long video that we're all gonna watch together. We're gonna do this awesome superhero workout. So make sure you have your pencil, paper, a towel or a napkin, something to wipe your body down if you get hot, and a water bottle. Again, objectives, what we're gonna be able to accomplish today. Kipsters, we'll be able to define the importance of your heart. So we're gonna zoom in again, not with Chloe and the Nerve, with another video that I have about your heart. And then Kipsis will be able to complete a superhero workout. All right. Now, the big question is what we're thinking about throughout the video is why is your heart important? Why is your heart important? So, as always, we're just going to review our mantra. We're going to say it together. Last time, we started saying some of our mantra in Spanish. This time, because we didn't get to the beginning part, we're going to do the whole thing in Spanish. We're going to start learning and reviewing it in Spanish so it can be a little bit more sticky. All right, so let's start again. Respect what's mine, respect what's not. Respect our time, respect our thought. Work hard, try your best, take heart, shake the stress, be kind, never give up, rain or shine, I am enough. So we're going to start learning that again and breaking it down in Spanish like that. We can talk about it. As I said earlier, the value of the December was enthusiasm, and this is some of the exciting and awesome work that I've gotten from friends. I love getting emails with your work. If you send me an email with just what you were saying, I want you to write it down on a piece of paper and then take a picture so I can put it up like this. I get your email, but I'm not able to take a picture of that because I want to post up work that has your writing on it. So awesome job if you send me work through an email, but it's even better, and I am able to post it up if you take a picture of your work while you wrote it down on a piece of paper, as our friends did here, and then I can post it up. But again, a big shout out to everyone always emailing me, showing me the work, super excited to learn and grow their brains. And I'm super excited to post some of our friends here, many more later on. So here is a video that we're gonna watch on the heart. Again, this is not Chloe and the Nerve. So remember, the big objective is the big question is why is your heart important? Right? So I want you to respond to that. Today, you're gonna respond to that. So after you're done watching this video, you're gonna learn a little bit more about our heart and why it's important. Then I want you to respond to that. So that's what you're gonna respond to me in an email. Why is your heart important? You can use a picture, you can write it in a sentence, or you can do both. So pay close attention so you can answer the question, why is your heart important? Here we go.
Hi there! Can you guess what I am? I'll give you a hint. I have a very important job inside your body, and your heart helps me to do my job. I'm a red blood cell. My job is so important that you'll thank me for it later. But I can't take all the credit. Without your heart, I couldn't do a thing. You see, I'm like a little delivery truck in your body. I pick up and drop things off all the time. I ride the highways of something called the circulatory system. I like to call it the circle system because I keep going in circles. This system is made of your heart and blood vessels that carry your blood to different areas of your body. Your blood vessels are like tiny tunnels that run all through your body. They are made up of arteries that take oxygen to places in your body and veins that take carbon dioxide from your body to your lungs. This is my highway. But I can't move by myself. I move within your blood when it moves. How does your blood move, you ask? Why, your heart pumps it. Let me show you how. Your heart is the most important muscle in your body. It moves by itself, and even though you can hardly feel it, it keeps moving all the time, even when you are sleeping. Want to feel your heart move? Sit very still and put your hand on your chest. If you're running hard or exercising, you might find it easier to feel. When your heart moves, it's called a heartbeat. Your heart makes at least 100,000 heartbeats every day. When your heart beats, it pulls blood into it and pushes it out again. This helps the blood to move fast enough to go through your whole body and back. And it helped me to pick up my deliveries and take them to different places in your body. I'm not alone in there. There are lots of red blood cells just like me doing the same thing in your body all the time, even now while I'm talking to you. Here's me at the start of my little journey. I just got back from dropping off some things to some places in your body. I need to get some more speed to do more deliveries, so I ride your bloodstream into your heart. Going through the heart is easy because the heart has special rooms and doors that only open one way. Right now, I am entering the right side of the heart. I go through the first room called the right atrium, through the first door called the tricuspid valve, and through the second room called the right ventricle, and through the second door called the pulmonary valve. The heartbeat causes the heart to squeeze the blood in these rooms into the next area. It pushes the blood through it and into the arteries like tunnels that lead to other parts of the body. So now I am moving a little faster because the heart has given me a push. Now I need to go and pick up the things I need to deliver. My first stop is to the lungs. I need to pick up a little oxygen molecule to take to some place in the body. Everybody needs oxygen. Our lungs bring it into our body, and then I pick it up and take it to where it's needed. It seems like it would be tricky to pick up the oxygen, but the lungs really help me with that job. You see, here in the body, we all work together and cooperate to keep everything running smoothly. When I get to the lungs, I'm not really this big, it's just easier to see me this way. And I get really close to the sides of my little tunnel. The oxygen that is sort of floating out of the walls nearby just jumps onto me for the ride. When enough of it has hopped on and I can't hold anymore, then I'm ready to go back to the heart for another push. Know what? This all happened so fast that it's even faster than blinking. So now, this time, I need to go on the other side of the heart. This side is for all of us red blood cells that are carrying oxygen. The heart pushes us a little farther this time because some of us have a very long trip. I go in through the first room called the left atrium, through the mitral valve doorway, and into the left ventricle room to get my big push. Then out I go and on my journey. I like my job because I get to travel. Here I am making a delivery in the foot area. All I have to do is draw near to the tunnel wall and the oxygen will just jump out of my truck and squeeze out of the tunnel. It's pretty neat to watch. While this is happening, I also make another pickup. Carbon dioxide needs to be taken up to the lungs so that the body can get rid of it by breathing out. And I'm just the cell to do it. I grab some and off I go again. Going back up to the heart is a little tricky because I need to ride up. It's kind of like climbing a hill. Because of this, the veins have little trap doors called valves that only open one way. This stops me from floating in the wrong direction. So I keep going up and up as the heart keeps beating and pushing the bloodstream along. Eventually, I get back to the heart again where I get ready to drop off the carbon dioxide in the lungs and get a good push to get me going on another pickup. So that's my job. What do you think? Pretty important, isn't it? The heart really helps me to do my job well.
Awesome. So with that being said, friends, again, I would like for friends to submit through email. Why is the heart important? You can draw it, you can write it, or you can do both. I look forward to seeing all of your responses. Why is your heart important? Is the question. All right, with that being said, we're going to move on to the next part of our video here. And again, remember, it's going to be one long video. So next, we're going to do our workout. This is an awesome clip that I found on YouTube, and it's awesome to have some fun. It's called the superhero workout. Oops.
Hi there. I'll give you a hint.
Let me keep that going. Give me 1 second. Here we are. So again, this is our superhero workout, okay? Awesome. So I'm super excited, friends. We're able to complete that. If you have the energy and want to do it again, I challenge you and I hope you can do it again. If not, awesome job. Make sure you're drinking some water, you're staying hydrated. Again, friends, this is one video clip, so there's not gonna be another video clip. Awesome, awesome sauce. I look forward to seeing you guys next time.